Part 5 Print on Demand Niche Research, Episode 20. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 20th episode of 5 Print on Demand Niches of the week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. At the end of this video, we're going to continue with our weekly giveaway. So if you like to learn how to sign up for the giveaway, stick around to the end. So our first niche of today is high school level complete. Most of these niches here is has to do with graduation, because now is the graduation season and many people are looking for t-shirts or graduation t-shirts. So here is one of the t-shirts, high school level complete. You could change this to middle school level complete or even kindergarten level complete. So really depending on the people searching for this shirt, you're going to choose the different levels of education. You could even go up to maybe college level complete. So those are different words that you could use to get the different customers searching for different shirts. So this shirt is priced at $16.98, over 154 reviews, over 154 sales, one review, and you can tell that the t-shirt is doing well. As you can see from the BSR, it has been dropping and quickly approaching 1, and the BSR says overall trend is up and the current trend is up. So here are the keywords I can use with this niche. It's senior, graduation, high school, funny, gamer, grad, and all the like. If we scroll down, we'll see similar designs from the same brand. I think these are just the same design on different products. This one looks like a hoodie to me, and this one looks like a different shirt. So that's it for niche number 1. Niche number 2, schools out for summer. This is a summer shirt, and summer is quickly approaching and many people are gearing up for summer. So here's a cool summer shirt with the sunset retro design at the back. It makes it look very cute. The shirt is priced at $16.99, over 140 sales and 12 reviews. And if we scroll down, we can take a look at the BSR. Overall trend is up. And if we scroll down, I use the keywords school, summer, goodbye, teacher, vintage, and all the like. So if we do a quick scroll down, you can see similar designs. And moving on to the next niche, kindergarten we are done. So this one is a niche tied with a unicorn for those who are lovers of unicorns and those who are kindergarten graduates. This t-shirt is best for them. So this t-shirt is priced at $19.99, over 190 sales and over 165 reviews. So the overall trend is up, and here are the keywords you can use: kindergarten, graduation, unicorn, magical, graduate, and all the like. And if we do a quick scroll down, from the same brand on a different shirt. Moving on to a different niche, last day of school. So this is also a shirt for to give your teachers, your friends, or to even wear for the last day of school. So over 121 sales and a review price at $13.95. Look at that BSR, guys. It just kept on dropping, and the overall trend is up, current trend is up. So it's really, really trending, this particular t-shirt. Happy last day of school. Here are the keywords, very few keywords, just teacher, student, present, school, summer, happy. And here are similar designs. Moving on to the next niche from Frying Research. And talking about Frying Research, there's a link in the description if you want to check it out. This t-shirt says, "So long pre-K is been fun. Look out kindergarten, here I come." And it's been priced at 1998, over 98 sales and 53 reviews. And the overall trend is up, and the BSR has been falling. And if you do a quick scroll down, keywords, school, super, kindergarten, graduation, kids, and all the like. And let's do a quick scroll down. This one says, "So long third grade." So this t-shirt said, "So long pre-K," and you could also change it to "So long third grade." It's been fun, look at fourth grade. And you could also change it to "So long fourth grade." It's been fun looking out or look out fifth grade for those who are moving on to the next class. So as you can see, it's very easy to make such a shirt. It's just word designs, and those are the designs that I like to go for. I like to go for word designs because they're easy to create. Just change the fonts, change the colors, and it looks very great on a black background. But if it's a more complicated shirt with designs like this one right here, if it's a more complicated shirt, I like to go to Vexels and put in a request for a design to be made, and I just let the professionals do their work. If it's a word design like this, I can do word designs because they're very easy to create. So that's it for this niche. Moving on to the next. Palestinian will be free. So if you've been on the news lately, you realize that there's a war between Palestine and Israel. I'm not really sure what they're fighting about. And although I wouldn't recommend you to put this niche on your to upload designs to this niche on your Merch by Amazon account, but the shirt has been trending, as you can tell. It's a new shirt, but it has already sold 96 times and has over 2 reviews. And the BSR has not had time to update yet. That shows you that it's a very new shirt, and it has already sold 96 times, guys. So this shirt is very, very a hot niche, a very hot niche. But I wouldn't recommend you to upload it to your Merch by Amazon account because it deals with the loss of lives. People's lives are being lost every day in Palestine. I just saw a building fall due to bombs and all the like. So it's a very sensitive niche that I would recommend you uploading to your Merch by Amazon account. Maybe you can try your personal stores, try selling on your personal stores, but I wouldn't recommend you uploading to your Merch by Amazon account. These are niches like this that just get your Merch by Amazon account banned. So I really recommend you to be careful with this niche if you wanna if you wanna make designs for this niche. So that's it for this one. The next one, Teacher of Duty. Teacher of Duty, this t-shirt has been trending for a while. This one has over 90 sales and no reviews yet. So remember when I told you that t-shirts that have so many sales and no reviews are really the t-shirts that are making all the sales because they haven't had time to for customers to leave reviews because the t-shirt has been so hot that so many people have bought it but they have not had time to leave reviews. So those are the t-shirts I like looking for, and this is one of them. Of our trend is up, current trend is up. Look at the BSR approaching 1. And if you scroll down, uh, the keyword says you can put teacher sunglasses, beach clothes, school, summer, duty, and all the like. And moving on to the next niche, husband, daddy, protector, hero. So, guys, Father's Day is quickly approaching, and this is a very, very simple design that anyone can make. It's just a basic white text on black background. Anybody can do this with grunge text, with a vintage looking text. Anyone can do this, guys. And And this shirt is priced at 1307 at the basic. I'm sure this person is maybe in the lower tiers trying to just grab all the sales they can. This is a very good strategy right here. And over 221 reviews, 90 sales. And if you scroll down, we'll see that the BSR has been up and down. And the keywords you can use, it's fathers, wife, husband, daddy, protector, hero, birthday, funny, and all the like. So if you do a quick scroll down here, similar designs. And if we move on to the next niche, it's also a graduation niche. So this design I chose it because it's kind of different from the other ones. It's a word design like most of them, but it has a different design. By different design, I mean this axis on the different levels of schools. That's what caught my attention. I like that you could just add an X and it's a whole different design. So these are the kind of designs I like to make that don't take time to create, but has the potential of making you lots and lots of money. So if maybe you're creating a design for high school graduates, you're just going to cross out high school. And maybe if you're making a design for middle school graduates, like right here, this one is for middle school, you just cross out middle school. It's for college graduates, you cross out college graduates. So that's how it's easy to make different designs with the same design. Just create a different design just by crossing out one level. So that's it for this. So this t-shirt price at 1988. Wow, over $5 reviews. That's awesome. And has over 82 sales, 108 reviews, and over 20 is up, current trend is up. Keywords, graduation, middle school, junior, graduate, graduated, and all the like. So let's do a quick scroll down. The same thing on a different shirt. Moving on to the next niche, Dabbing graduation class of 2021. So this one is kind of different. You know, dabbing together with a niche. So this dabbing shirt is kind of different from the other word shirts or the other shirts that we've seen, and it just involves a person or a graduate dabbing. You know, dabbing always trends. So that several things that always trend is dabbing. There's a retro sunset background. Then there's a grunge text background. So if you notice it, most of our designs or most of the designs that are trending are the ones that use those features on their t-shirt. So here is one of them. It's a dubbing graduate and it says kindergarten nailed it. You could also change this kindergarten to middle school nailed it. You could also change the middle school to high school nailed it and maybe college nailed it. So that's how you can make several designs from just one design. And the BSR of our trend is up. And from the keywords, graduate boy, kindergarten, dabbing, graduation, and all the like. And if we do a quick scroll down, similar designs from the same brand. This one is fifth grade nailed it, preschool nailed it, kindergarten nailed it. So just what I was talking about above, that you could change just simple words on the design and you create a whole new design making sales. Look at this one. 18 reviews just by changing one word on the same designs, guys. So that's it for that niche. We're moving on to the next one. Another design is very, very rainbowy, very colorful for mostly preschool. Yeah, preschoolers love this kind of rainbow designs. And it says preschool nailed it. It's priced at 16.99, over 72 sales and 41 reviews. So another unicorn design, and the BSR trend is up. You can use keywords like unicorn, floating, graduation, unicorn, celebrate, and all the like. And same brand on a different shirt, here on a different shirt, and it's selling. So that's it for that niche. And the last niche of the day is Datzilla. So while Datzilla isn't a trademark word, but it's kind of infringing on Godzilla. So if you see the t-shirt, you obviously recognize that that is Godzilla, but it says Godzilla. Godzilla is not a trademark word, but Godzilla is. So this is also a very slippery slope that I wouldn't recommend anyone to make a t-shirt for. If there's anything, any word or image on your shirt that you know very well that is linked with a movie or a celebrity, please don't. I wouldn't advise you to ever risk your merch promotion account because there's a lot of potential to make money with your merch promotion account. That trivial things like this isn't worth it. Although it has the potential of making you a lot of money, but I wouldn't recommend you getting involved in a niche that is gonna risk your account. So this one I wouldn't recommend it, but it is a t-shirt that is selling. So it's priced at 17.99, over 68 sales, 2 reviews, and as you can tell from the BSR, overall trend is up, current trend is up, and as you can see, quickly approaching one if it's not already out one. And the keywords you can use that Zeta, monsters, funny, dinosaur, fathers, because it's for Father's Day. Actually, it's for Father's Day. You can also do this for, you can also write in the keywords birthday, Father's Day, birthday, those two work. And from the same brand, here, here is the same design in a different t-shirt. So, lastly, so just to recap on the events that are quickly approaching, so you know what designs to make in addition to the ones that are already trending. This one is tax day. Actually, May 17th, which is today, is tax day. And the next is Memorial Day, which is on the 31st, May 31st, Juneteenth, June 19th, 2021, May 2021. Then Father's Day, the one we've been waiting for, it's on June 20th. Then the last Independence Day on July 4th. So that's the upcoming events that we shall be making designs for, because these are huge niches that many people will be looking for designs. So like I promised in the earlier part of the video that I'll be releasing where to get the link for our weekly giveaways. Yes, guys, here's our weekly giveaway. It hasn't started yet. It's going to start on May 17th at 8:01 a.m. And when it starts, there's a link in the description below that you can click to sign up or enter the giveaway. And I'm going to release the names of the giveaway winners on May 23rd. So, guys, the link is in the description below if you're interested in the giveaway. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Premium Demand and KDP, there's a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.